Hi everyone. This video has 3 stories read at the normal pace in American English. There will be links to each story in the comments where you can practice slowly. Listening comprehension is important to get used to normal words. The more you listen and the more you practice every day, your English will improve. Thank you for practicing with me. I wish you well. The successful lemonade stand. When John was a child, he decided he wanted to start his own business. He lived in a neighborhood with many families, so he thought he could start a lemonade stand and sell his product to thirsty passers-by. John spent a few days making a sign for his stand and getting all the necessary supplies. He made sure to price his lemonade at a fair price that people would be willing to pay. On the day of the opening of his lemonade stand, John woke up early and set up his stand on the sidewalk in front of his house. He used social media to promote his business, and soon enough, people began to show up to buy his lemonade. John's lemonade was so delicious that his customers began to spread the word to their friends and family. Soon enough, John had a line of people waiting to buy his lemonade every day. John learned that starting a business takes hard work and dedication, but with the right product and a fair price, success is possible. The mysterious package. One day, a woman named Anna received a mysterious package in the mail. She didn't recognize the return address, and there was no note inside to explain who it was from or what was inside. Anna was curious, but also a little nervous. She didn't know if she should open the package or not. After debating for a while, she finally decided to take a chance and open it. Inside, she found a beautiful antique mirror. It was ornately carved and had a delicate gold frame. Anna was amazed. She had never seen anything like it before. But as she looked into the mirror, she saw something strange. Instead of her own reflection, she saw a room she didn't recognize. The room was dark and eerie, and she felt a chill run down her spine. Anna was frightened, but also intrigued. She couldn't resist the urge to explore the strange room in the mirror. So she reached out and touched the glass. To her surprise, her hand went right through the mirror, as if it wasn't even there. She hesitated for a moment, but then stepped through the mirror and into the mysterious room. Once inside, Anna found herself in a different world. The room was full of strange objects and unusual creatures. She explored the room and discovered that each object had a story to tell. There was a rusty old key that opened a secret door, a dusty old book that held the secrets of the universe, and a crystal ball that could predict the future. As she continued to explore, Anna realized that the mirror was not just a mirror, but a portal to another world. She had been chosen to explore this magical place and discover its secrets. From that day on, Anna visited the magical room every day, and her life was never the same. She learned new things, met new friends, and discovered a world of wonder that she had never known existed. And all because of a mysterious package and a magical mirror. A chance meeting. Betty woke up early one morning feeling really hungry. She headed to the kitchen to make herself some breakfast. She looked in the fridge, but there was nothing in there she felt like eating. She decided to walk to the corner store to buy something to eat. She grabbed her wallet and headed out the door. When she got to the store, she browsed the aisles, looking for something she wanted. She finally decided to buy some eggs and bread. She paid for her items and headed back home. As she was walking, she noticed a cute dog playing alone in a nearby park. She walked over to the dog and he let her pet him. The dog seemed happy to see her. Betty gave him some bread from her bag. The dog ate it very fast. He was extremely hungry. Betty realized he was homeless. She decided she could give him a home because she also needed a friend. So she took him home and gave him a bath, some food, and a nice warm blanket to sleep on. As the dog settled in, he seemed happy and content. He was very sweet and gentle, and she loved him already. She named him Chance.